sure this is the road you want to take? No turning back once you cross that line. I feel it now. Yeah.
Like loving me is something you outgrew. Your silence says more than your words. I already know what you're gonna do. I see the distance in your eyes. You're standing here, but you're not with me. You packed your heart a long time ago and left me with a memory. But love can't live where it don't belong. When you walk away, don't look surprised if I don't beg you to stay tonight. My tears may fall, I won't deny, I won't deny, I won't deny, but they won't drown me this time. Oh, when you're gone, life will go on. I learned to love the break of dawn. Someone will find me, someone new. After you, I'll make it through. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it won't be easy at first. Your name will echo in my mind. Every song, every empty room will remind me of another time. I won't pretend it doesn't hurt. I won't lie and say I'm fine. But pain don't last forever, and neither did your love for mine.
I gave you all I had to give. I stayed believing it was easier to do.
But now I'm choosing how to live, and that don't start with you.
You walk away
Don't look surprised
if I don't beg you
to stay tonight.